Hi Dad, I'm just making some stuff with this 3D printer I bought. Got it from China, like I buy everything else, but I made this little tool holder, as you can see it. It's all made out of plastic. I made this hanger here. It's gonna hang some airplane models from it. I made this little holder so you can hold these little nozzles for the printer. The buzzing you're hearing, well, that's my printer. Right now I'm printing some more of these airplane brackets. It's going to take 11 hours to print 2 more. You can see here's the whole printer. You can see there's the reel of plastic. That's what I've been doing. So what I do is I go onto a thing called Tinkercad, and I can CAD stuff like this with the 3D CAD, and then I splice it into a code that the printer understands, and then I print it. I don't expect you to understand anything, but this is what I make. I'm making stuff now. They call me a maker. I can make different things. I even made this knob on this lid here of my garbage can. I can make all kinds of things. Well, anyways, that's what I'm up to. And show Mom. Maybe she'll be interested. Maybe there's something that you want me to make you. Just let me know. I can make a lot of things now.